Let's read sight words, part 2. Let's begin. Or, or, one, one, had, by, words, but, not, not, what, all, were, we, when, your, can, said, there, use, an, itch, which, she, do, how, there, if. That's great. Follow us for more.